Packing light is an art that every traveler should master. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, learning to pack light can make your journey more enjoyable and less stressful. A well-packed, lightweight bag not only simplifies your travel experience but also enhances your overall enjoyment by reducing the burden of carrying unnecessary items. Here's an expanded guide to help you pack efficiently and smartly for any trip. Choose the right luggage. The foundation of packing light begins with selecting the right luggage. Opting for a carry-on suitcase or a backpack that meets airline size requirements is crucial. This approach saves you from baggage fees and ensures that your belongings stay with you throughout your journey, reducing the risk of loss of luggage. When choosing luggage, consider the following factors. Size and weight. Aim for luggage that is lightweight yet sturdy. This allows you to maximize the weight of the items you pack without exceeding airline limits. Material and durability. Invest in luggage made from durable materials like polycarbonate or ballistic nylon, which offer protection against wear and tear. Compartments and organization. Luggage with multiple compartments helps in organizing your items efficiently, making it easier to access essentials quickly. By carefully selecting your luggage, you set the stage for a well-organized and manageable packing experience. Plan your wardrobe strategically. Creating a versatile and interchangeable wardrobe is the key to packing light. The goal is to bring items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits, minimizing the number of pieces you need to pack. Here is how to approach your wardrobe planning. Color palette. Stick to a neutral color palette. Think blacks, whites, grays, and earth tones. These colors can easily be mixed and matched, ensuring that all your pieces work together. Layering. Choose clothing that can be layered to adapt to different climates. For instance, a lightweight sweater can be paired with a t-shirt for cooler evenings, or worn alone in milder weather. Versatile shoes. Limit yourself to 2 pairs of shoes, 1 pair of comfortable walking shoes and 1 dress or pair that can be worn for more formal occasions. Accessories. Accessories like hats, scarves, and sunglasses can change up your look without taking up much space. They also provide practical benefits, such as sun protection or warmth. Include basics, t-shirts, tank tops, and a couple of pairs of jeans or shorts. Layers, a lightweight sweater or jacket for varying temperatures. Comfortable shoes, 1 pair of walking shoes and a pair of dresser shoes if needed. Accessories, a hat, scarf, and sunglasses can change up your look and provide extra comfort. This strategic approach allows you to pack fewer items while still having enough outfit options for your entire trip. Use packing cubes for organization. Packing cubes are a traveler's best friend when it comes to organizing your luggage. These lightweight, fabric containers help compress your clothing and keep everything neat and accessible. Here is how to make the most of packing cubes. Categorize your items. Use separate packing cubes for different categories: tops, bottoms, underwear, and socks. This not only keeps your bag organized, but also makes it easy to find items without unpacking everything. Maximize space. Packing cubes help you compress your clothing, allowing you to fit more into your luggage while keeping items wrinkle-free. Ease of access. With packing cubes, you can easily remove 1 cube to access specific items without disrupting the rest of your neatly packed bag. Investing in a set of packing cubes can revolutionize the way you pack, making it easier to stay organized and travel efficiently. Limit toiletries to essentials. Toiletries can quickly add weight and bulk to your luggage if you're not careful. To keep your load light, be selective about what you bring. Consider these tips. Travel-size products. Opt for travel-size toiletries or use reusable containers to decant your regular products. This saves space and ensures you comply with airline liquid restrictions. Minimalism. Pack only the essential shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, deodorant, and skincare products. Leave behind items that can be provided by your accommodation, such as body wash or hair dryers. Multi-use items. Consider multi-purpose products, such as a moisturizer with SPF or a shampoo-conditioner combo, to reduce the number of items you need to pack. By limiting your toiletries to the essentials, you save valuable space and reduce the weight of your luggage. Embrace technology for a lighter load. Gone are the days when travelers needed to carry guidebooks, maps, and multiple gadgets. Today, your smartphone can serve as your all-in-one travel tool. Here is how to lighten your load with technology. Digital documents. Store copies of important travel documents, such as your passport, tickets, and reservations, on your phone or in cloud storage. This not only saves space, but also ensures you have backups in case of loss. Travel apps. Utilize travel apps for everything from navigation to language translation. Apps like Google Maps, TripIt, and Duolingo can make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. E-books and entertainment. Instead of packing physical books or magazines, download e-books and audiobooks to your device. This reduces bulk and gives you access to a wide range of reading material. A small portable charger ensures your devices stay powered throughout your trip, making your smartphone an indispensable travel companion. Roll, don't fold. Optimize your packing technique. The way you pack your clothes can significantly impact how much you can fit into your luggage. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them is a technique that saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Here's how to do it. Tightly roll clothes. For items like t-shirts, jeans, and dresses, roll them tightly to reduce their volume. This technique also helps prevent creases, so your clothes look fresh upon arrival. Compression bags. For bulkier items, such as jackets or sweaters, use compression bags to remove excess air and shrink the item's size. This allows you to pack more efficiently without sacrificing necessary items. This packing technique is particularly useful for long trips where you need to fit more into your suitcase without exceeding weight limits. Wear your bulkiest items during travel. If you need to bring heavier clothing or shoes, wear them during your travel days. This not only frees up space in your luggage, but also keeps you comfortable in potentially chilly airports or airplanes. Consider these strategies. Layering. Wear a t-shirt, sweater, and jacket to create layers that can be easily removed or added as needed. This approach is practical and saves luggage space. Comfortable footwear. Wear your bulkiest shoes during transit. They are often the most comfortable for walking through airports and navigating public transportation. By wearing your heaviest items, you maximize luggage space and stay prepared for varying temperatures during your journey. Be realistic about just-in-case items. It's tempting to pack for every possible scenario, but these just-in-case items often go unused. Focus on bringing items that are versatile and multi-purpose. Here's how to decide what to pack. Evaluate necessity. Before packing an item, ask yourself if it serves multiple purposes or if you can purchase it at your destination if needed. Multi-use items. Choose items that can be used in various situations. For instance, a sarong can serve as a beach cover-up, a blanket, or even an impromptu towel. Pack light. Remember that most destinations have stores where you can buy essentials if needed. It's often better to pack light and buy something on the go rather than carry extra weight. Being realistic about your needs helps you avoid overpacking and ensures you're only carrying what's truly necessary. Streamline your travel documents. Keeping your travel documents organized and easily accessible is essential for stress-free travel. Use a travel wallet or a document organizer to store your passport, tickets, and reservation details. Here's how to streamline your document management. Digital copies. Store digital copies of your important documents on your phone or cloud storage. This provides a backup in case you misplace the originals. Organize storage. Use a designated travel wallet or pouch to keep all your documents in one place. This makes it easy to retrieve them when needed, such as during check-in or security screenings. Streamlining your travel documents not only reduces stress but also helps you stay organized throughout your journey. Do laundry on the go. If your trip is longer than a week, plan to do laundry. This allows you to pack fewer clothes and rewear clean items, which is essential for packing light. Here's how to manage laundry while traveling. Laundry services. Many accommodations offer laundry services, which can be convenient but sometimes pricey. Consider using these services if you're staying in one place for an extended period. Hand washing. Pack a small bottle of detergent and a travel clothesline for hand washing your clothes. This method is cost effective and allows you to wash and dry your clothes in your room. Quick dry fabrics. Choose clothing made from quick drying materials, which makes hand washing more practical and ensures your clothes are ready to wear sooner. By incorporating laundry into your travel routine, you can significantly reduce the amount of clothing you need to pack. Evaluate and edit your packing lists. Before finalizing your packing, lay everything out and evaluate each item. Ask yourself if you truly need it and if it serves multiple purposes. Here's a step-by-step approach. Lay out everything. Place all the items you plan to pack on your bed or a large surface. This gives you a clear visual of what you're bringing. Add it ruthlessly. Remove items that are redundant or not essential. Consider the climate and activities planned for your trip, and pack accordingly. Final check. Go through your packing list one last time, ensuring that you're only bringing the essentials and nothing more. Editing down your list one last time ensures that you're only bringing the essentials, making your packing as light and efficient as possible. Final thoughts on packing light. Packing light is about prioritizing and making smart choices. It reduces travel stress, makes moving around easier, and allows you to focus more on enjoying your trip. By following these expanded tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a packing pro, ready for any adventure with a light and organized bag. Safe travels!